What's up guys, Albert here from Beato Auto Sales, and today we have this beautiful Lexus RX 350. It's a 2016 model, and let's start off with the quirks and features of this vehicle. One thing, the chrome that wraps around not only the front all the way to the back, and a huge amount on these mirrors. It's got beautiful LED headlights and taillights and powder coated black and silver rims. Let's swing on into the inside. Swinging on in here into the interior of this vehicle, the first thing that I want to talk about is the heated and cooled seats. Not only are they heated and cooled, but they are brown leather with red stitching. It looks wonderful, complemented by the wood dash and the aluminum trim that goes around it. Swinging onto the steering wheel, it's got the CAS system, the collision avoidance system, so you're always going to be safe in this vehicle. It's got a beautiful, luxurious clock here in the center that comes down into our raising and lowering cup holder. Not only that, we have a trackpad system where you're able to navigate your entire Lexus display, from maps to navigation to climate control. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Hope you guys enjoyed the Lexus RX 350. Please call us at 781-666-0251 to try and get one of these for you today.